My people dem, how una dey now? How area dey be for you? You know say for this internet wey we dey, plenty internet jokes dey well. Dey even get funny videos, pictures wey be say e dey very funny. Some pictures sef na the captions make am funny. You understand? So funny medias dey for internet wey we dey call jokes, or wey some of us dey call internet jokes. But the general name wey we know them as na memes. We know wetin be memes cause we don come across one or two memes for social media. Now, what if I tell you say they get crypto project wey be say na all those memes take inspire them to build am, wey we dey call meme coin. Na memes give them ginger wey dey take create the project. Those coin no be altcoin, cause altcoin na real life problem dey take their project dey solve. But for meme coins, they no dey solve anything, na just for jokes. You understand? So for today's video, we'll talk about wetin be meme coins and everything wey dey related to am. But before we continue, if na your first time be this wey you dey watch us, I welcome you to CryptoPidgin, the first and only channel wey we dey talk about crypto for pidgin English and everything wey dey related to am. So make you use 10 seconds take subscribe to the channel so that anytime wey we drop update, you go dey see am sharp. And don't forget say make you hit that bell icon so that they go dey send you notification if you drop any video for this channel. E no go hard you, just click on that red button, then click the bell icon beside am so that you ma go join our community wey we go dey talk about crypto in pidgin English. So wetin be meme coin? Meme coin na cryptocurrency wey be say in existence na meme influence am, meaning say they create meme coin to take respect all those popular jokes wey dey social media. As I dey talk to you now, the first meme coin wey dey create na Dogecoin, and na around that kind 2013 time na im dey take create am. And na Japanese Shiba Inu dog pictures wey dey trend that time for that 2013 na im dey take get the inspiration wey dey take create Dogecoin. One thing about meme coin na the price. E go fit go up today and come down tomorrow based on say e no get better use apart from make dey use am joke. Na why the price dey somehow. E fit go up today, e fit come down tomorrow. So e no mean say you no fit make money with am, but e no just dey stable. And as you see dey talk, this type of coin wey we dey call meme coin need community. Plenty people go dey talk about them so that they fit get value. If people come dey hype am well, the price go dey go up, and once the hype die, the price go dey come down. Last all of us know say meme coin no dey last, and people wey put money before the price go up and comot their money before the price come down, na im dey make money pass for this type of project wey we dey call meme coin. So as we see dey talk, dey get one time wey Mark Cuban and Elon Musk bin hype Dogecoin for their Twitter page, and because of this hype, Dogecoin come go up like say e no go come down again. But based on say we know how the matter take dey be, say na meme coin e be, Dogecoin humble himself come down. Another thing be say meme coin get unlimited supply. As I dey talk to you now, Dogecoin get like 100 billion tokens wey dey in circulation. Just imagine. So this reason na why e hard to see meme coin wey one of the coin get value reach $1. E no dey possible for this life, and e no fit dey possible for this life. Na just the truth be that. Like this now, you fit use $1, just $1, you fit use that $1 take buy like 10,000 meme coin. You understand? And they get some meme coin wey be say you fit use $1 take buy like 1 million of the token. You understand? So meme coin no too get value, but last you fit still make money with am. Now the question wey you go ask na how this meme coin take dey work. As we all know say Bitcoin and altcoin like Ethereum dey work under blockchain technology, na so meme coin take dey work too. So meme coin dey build am under blockchain technology too. You understand? And the popular blockchain technology wey dey take use build meme coin na Ethereum and Solana blockchain, because e dey easy and very fast for developers to create. Na why we get like 200 meme coin as I dey talk to you now. Yes, they get up to like 200 meme coins as I dey talk to you now. And based on say meme coin na unlimited supply with high volatility, e no con dey that useful based on say no real life problem wey meme coin dey solve. Plenty people dey buy am or trade am when e just dey come before e cast. I mean, people buy am when the price dey low and sell am when the price dey high before e become low again, because we know say if e go up e go come down. So you go buy when e dey down before e go up, and once you see say the thing don go up, you go sell am before e come down too. Na so e be. So meme coin, you no fit use am invest, or you no fit use am say you wan stake with them. So you no dey work like that. You no fit invest on the meme coin say you wan invest on meme coin reach in the next 6 months, 2 years, 3 years. Nothing like that. Meme coin no dey last, dey go and come. So example of top meme coin for crypto market now na number 1 Dogecoin, we get Dogecoin, we get Shiba Inu, we get Akita, we get SafeMoon, and plenty meme coins wey dey. But for my next video, I go talk more about them and the one wey you fit buy for 2022 wey you go fit take hold body. The next question wey go dey your mind na wetin be feature of meme coin? Like feature dey for meme coin? The truth be say the answer hard small, as e be say na two-way answer e get. Number 1, yes, e get feature based on say you buy when e dey low and sell when e dey high before e dey low again. As I tell you before, meme coin go dey low first. At first e go dey low, then after the hype e go go up, then once the hype die e go come down. So during that time wey e dey low, before hype enter, you go buy. So once the hype enter wey e go up, you go sell. Then before e come down, nothing concern you again. Na so the meme coin take dey work. And na why I say yes, e get feature based on say our major aim na to make money for crypto market. So number 2 na no, because meme coin no get any value based on say no solid project dey behind am. As e be say na joke dey take use and create am, so on the long run the hype go die, and once the hype die, the value go die too, and the market go crash. Na so e be. So that's why I say na two-way answer, and the answer na either yes and either no. Na why I explain am to you. So now you go decide which one you go choose and which one go dey okay for you, based on say I no be financial advisor. So like this na everything wey we get to tell you about meme coin be that. For my next video, I go talk about top 10 meme coin and the one wey you fit buy take make money on a short time. So thank you for watching today's video. No forget to subscribe, no forget to like, and no forget to share. You know as we dey do am for here, abeg, and na God I take dey beg you. So try subscribe. So once you subscribe, e go dey motivate me say make I dey do more video about crypto in pidgin English. And again, no forget to comment wetin you learn from this video. And if you get question, no forget to ask too. We go answer you and we go reply to your comment too. The final one, which be last, no forget to join our Telegram channel for better update. As I go to drop the link for Telegram channel for this video description and the comment section. No forget to join, and don't forget to invite members. As you join the Telegram group, don't forget to invite friends to join Telegram group too. Thank you. We go see you for my next video. Thank you so much.